Hi guys, so my name is Amber and I wanted to show you guys how I wax my own face. I just do mustache, and I do here, 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 and a little bit of here. I just clean it up, and then what I can't get, like details and things like that, I'll just pluck my brows. But to wax, I'll show you what I use. So I use this all-purpose honey. It comes with all these things. It comes with wax off, pre-hour, the actual wax, slow grow, and the post-wax concealer. I've never used like two of these things. I've used the wax off and the one that you use before you actually wax. And it's pretty cool. It's a cute little kit. And I got this at Sally's. So it's all gross, I know, but you have to heat it up on the microwave. Before we start, it's really hot, so be careful. I just don't want you guys to burn yourselves. So just be very careful when you're heating it up and when you're using this, because it's really hot. So just please be careful when you're using this wax, or if you're waxing yourself, because it could be really dangerous, especially if you spill it, or if you have little sisters, little brothers, you know, they don't know what that is. So yes, okay, let's get into it. So this is what I use. These come in packages. If you buy the whole box packet, it comes with this and this. But if you run out, Sally's has packets of this and packets of these, so you can buy them separately. I do cut them up because this is way too big, so I'll cut them in the half and then cut this way and this way, and it creates like 4, so you have more and it lasts longer. Bring you closer so you guys can see what I'm trying to wax. Yeah, so it's growing back like my beard. I don't know if you could see it right here. And then I have some spots right here. Let me see if you can focus. That's mostly it. I don't really have a problem here, just because that really doesn't bother me. But yeah, I really want to get rid of this though. So what I do is, it's right here. I just mix it. Go like that. So I kind of take off the excess, right? I like to blow on it because it's really hot. So make sure you blow on it. And then I like to do it downwards. And then once I peel it off, I'll show you how I do it. So blowing downwards. Right. I'll just stick it like this. There's 2. Stick it and then rub it down to make sure all your hairs go down. That way when you peel it up and they all come off. We want them all gone. Yes. And when you first get it, it's hard. So you don't have to keep it on in the microwave that long. It does get all like liquidy. So just give it like 30 seconds to cool down, because the longer you let it cool down, the harder it'll get. So I find it that if it's like in between, like liquidy and like hard, you're able to apply it perfectly fine. You don't want it too liquidy, because that means it's really hot and it'll be too hot for your skin. Yes. Of your face too, that way you don't accidentally get your actual hair. So this is how I cut them up. And you can cut them however you want, really thin, really thick, however you want them. If it's a specific little spot that you want to get, you can cut it to your liking. And then I wouldn't suggest waxing your whole entire face with this. I don't think it's really meant for that. It's just meant for like these parts. I was like 17 when I first started waxing, so I think so, or I don't know. My sister was the one that bought this, so I kind of just, she did it one day and I kind of liked it because I wasn't looking too pretty right here. And then I kind of create a little overshadow, and I don't like that either. So yeah. Don't be scared. It's not scary. I know it's scary when you pull it off. Just don't think about it. I don't know. I'm kind of used to it already. It is super sticky, so it does come off with the wax off, but alcohol works, lotion works. Water kind of makes it really hard to come off, so yeah. Really sticky, so water makes it worse. So as long as you could like have lotion works pretty well. Yeah, so I can pull these off and you could see. Okay, I'm gonna show you, hold on. So that's what it looks like coming off. This one, that one, ew. And you like to have an extra one because there's extra glue kind of stuck. I don't know if you see it, and this helps if you just go like that. If you hear it. That's what it looks like. Is that glue? Oh, I don't know what that is. Another thing, if you went over it once and you took it off, don't go over it again because you're kind of taking off skin, so it's kind of harsh in a way. It's not good to like go over it again and then taking your second layer of your skin off again. So just wait like 3 days or something before you wax again, maybe a week or something. But if you miss certain parts, you can just pluck them, or if you feel like you really want them off or you can't get them by plucking them, just do a little razor if it really bothers you that much. So I'll show you. And I did the middle. Yeah, you can kind of hear the stickiness. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I shall show you. This was one of my lips. This was not too bad. This one was the middle one in between my eyebrows. You can't really see it. This was on the side of my brow. This one's another one. See it? And then that one was the worst one. Alright girls, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll answer your questions. If you still don't feel comfortable using it, then just stick to it, you know. Don't feel like pressure, but if you want to try it, I think you should try it. I think it's awesome because I don't have to go out of my way to book an appointment, you know, and I don't know, waste money. I don't know, I can just do it on my own. I know how I like it. I know what I need to clean up, and it's pretty easy. It saves me money, and yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll answer them. So I'll see you guys next time. No more hair, no more hair, no more hair.